हेलो हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ न्यू वीडियो। एंड करंटली हमारे कॉलेज में चल रहा है येस एंड टेडेक्स। येस इस यूथ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप समिट एंड टेडेक्स तो आप सबको पता ही होगा। एंड सिंस आई एम इन ईसेल आई एम इन द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी। सो लेट्स सी कि क्या क्या करना पड़ता है। एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द POC for Associate Director of Zepto, that is Saksham Pressure. So I'll try to get some clips and let's see क्या क्या होता है. So let's start. So Pitch Perfect is kind of a pitching competition like Shark Tank India, where startups pitch and sharks put their money on them. So yes, this is the 6th edition of Pitch Perfect.
जैसे हम मिल्क मिल्क डायरेक्ट हम कंज्यूमर को सेल कर रहे हैं, मेरे थ्रू डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर सुधा
तो आपके खुद के फार्म्स
नहीं, हमारे फार्म्स नहीं फार्म
wherever it be. So find a solution for it where your sustainable hygienic conveyance mode need not be EV.
I understand कि where you're coming from, because जब आपने जहाँ से start किया था उस स्टेज पर अपनी जॉब को छोड़ना, वो इतना बड़ा रिस्क लेना when you're a married person, I think that takes a lot of courage.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Today is 6th and today is finally the day of yes and tomorrow is TEDx. So I'll be recording some clips and I'm ready to go into the event and see. So let's see what happens. And मैं तो बहुत डरा हुआ हूँ, लाइक इट्स माई फर्स्ट इवेंट एंड आई हैव बिन गिवन सो मच वर्क क्योंकि मेरे बाकी जो टीममेट्स हैं दे हैव गॉन टू IIM रांची. सो आई हैव बीन अलॉटेड द POC ऑल्सो. Abhikesh, like founder of Abhikesh is here, so I have to be with him also for some time. And also I'm in the GD team, so graphic designing. If there's any problem, I have to be here also. So I have a lot of work. So देखते हैं. I'll try my best to do it.
की बात कर रहे हैं, उन लोगों की बात यहाँ पे कोई नहीं करते. जस्ट लाइक की इलेक्ट्रिशियन, प्लम्बर, पर मंथ 3.5
जो अगर आप सेल करते हो तो उसमें 48% का ग्रॉस मार्जिन है, और अगर आप ड्रोन एज सर्विस देते हो तो 60% है. जो आपका
वो सिया लोहिया को देखते हैं. मैं भी था. Hi, this is day 2 and I'm going to my contact, which is Saksham sir, and he'll be visiting Mahabodhi temple, so I'll just coordinate with him and then TEDx will start at 10 a.m. So today's day is going to be very hectic. Yesterday's day was very hectic as I reached home at 12:30 a.m. and then I slept and woke up at 6:30 a.m. So let's go.
Hello.
Self-organized under a license from TED, a non-profit organization devoted to discovering and sharing powerful ideas in the form of takeaways. It's not TED itself.
Are over now and Now we have our final event, that is Stockopoly, a mixture of stocks or monopoly. So मैं और Mika are the POCs of the event. So everything is being done by us. And I'm now going to get Campa. Campa is our sponsor. So उन्होंने बहुत सारे bottles दिए हैं and एक पूरा बक्सा. So I'm going to take it and for our event, for our participants. नहीं, मैं नहीं पी रहा कैंपा. आई एम नॉट ड्रिंकिंग एंड यस. Hi. So a lot of you have been asking me कि ये कमिटी वगैरह क्या होता है, कमिटी क्लब, and how do you get into it, and इसमें काम क्या होता है. Because this entire video is about Yes and TEDx and it was related to my committee, so let me explain. So basically मैं जब कॉलेज आया था अगस्त में, after that we had our CR pitchings. So CR was the class representative जो सबसे मतलब सब क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. एंड माई फ्रेंड हमारे सेक्शन से रियान और अनुष्का हुए. एंड आफ्टर दैट अक्टूबर में वी हैड कमिटी पिचिंग्स. सो बेसिकली कमिटीज आर लाइक ग्रुप्स, सब डिविजन्स ऑफ एंटायर कॉलेज कि like they do something. Like we have ECEL, entrepreneurship cell, then we have IT committee जो सब computer से related audio visual ये सब देखती है. Then we have RCOM which is alumni relations, then IRC international relations, then media PR, then we have Pragati the CSR committee. So a lot of committees. And that time I केयरफुली सॉ कि मेरे को क्या करना है लाइफ में, विच वॉज रिलेटेड टू ऑन्टरप्रेन्योरशिप, स्टार्टअप वगैरह. कभी तो मेरे को कुछ ना कुछ करना है. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि आई शुड हैव जॉइंड ECEL. सो माई फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस वॉज ECEL एंड माई सेकेंड प्रेफरेंस वॉज मीडिया PR. एंड मीडिया PR में थोड़ा मैंने टास्क थोड़ा गड़बड़ कर दिया था. बट आई इफ़ यू रिमेंबर कि मैंने एक पुराने वीडियो में MPR का एक वीडियो डाल दिया था एंड दैट वॉज माई ऑफिशियल सबमिशन फॉर MPR. So my MPR event was thoda sa bad, but I wasn't any troubled because ECEL was my first preference and ECEL was going very good. So I got into the GD vertical, that is the graphic designing. So basically I have to make Canva posters and merch and everything. So I got into GD. And yeah, ECEL का सबसे flagship event is Yes and TEDx. Yes is Youth Entrepreneurship Summit and TEDx तो सबको पता होगा, TEDx where speakers come and do everything. So this happens every year, February ko. So ECEL does everything. So our work started from December, posters, banners and everything we had to make. Not we, the GD vertical had to make. And then in between yes में हमारे खुद के events भी होते हैं. जैसे एक था Stockopoly and another था Fish Tank. तो Fish Tank में basically you have to pitch absurd ideas, like convince me कि to use lion's fart as a perfume, something like that. And Stockopoly was a new event, completely new event. इसमें एक स्टॉक मार्केट का सिमुलेशन था 2 घंटे के लिए एंड द पर्सन विद द हाईएस्ट प्रॉफिट विंस. सो मैं और मीका इज माई फ्रेंड एंड मीका गॉट टू बी द POC एंड आई गॉट टू बी अर असिस्टेंट POC फॉर द इवेंट ऑफ Stockopoly. कि सारे लोग मेरे को कॉन्टैक्ट करते थे अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता था. एंड येस, द इवेंट वेंट वेरी स्मूथ एंड I'm proud of Mika and proud of the team that we could pull it off. It was very hard to pull it off, but we pull out. And उसके बाद about Yes and TEDx. Okay, so Youth Entrepreneurship Summit में बहुत सारे events होते हैं जैसे Pitch Perfect, kind of Shark Tank, then Best Manager, Business Wars, Fish Tank, Stockopoly, ये सब होता है. And इसमें prizes भी होते हैं. Stockopoly and Fish Tank में 15,000 each था price. And ये सब था. So Pitch Perfect में a lot of बिहार के startups came, so I got to network with a lot of them. Like बिहारो करके एक था and Abhikesh, my the one I'm interning with, founder sir also came. And then RCX Lite, the company that got into Shark Tank India, that also came. Also Rasa Cards करके एक company था, that also came. So yes was all about it, entrepreneurship related. Then TEDx was on 7th. It was very fun event and speakers came, 8 speakers this time. And I got to interact with a lot of them. Shriya Lohia, F4 Acer, Dhananjay Ganju, who was CMO of Akshay Patra Foundation, and Shrikant sir. I got to interact with a lot of them. And being since it was our event, I gave my 110%. I tried to be active. I in these 2 days I slept at 1 2 a.m. and woke up at 6 a.m. It was very hectic, and yes, I gave my all. I gave my best. कभी थोड़ी गलती तो मेरे से भी कभी कभी हुई थी, but yes, I guess it's fine after all. The event was a success. And yes, I got to interact with a lot of them because मैं organizing committee में था, so I got to interact with all of these distinguished speakers and like बहुत कुछ knowledge मिला मेरे को कि कैसे धनंजय सर went from a profit background of 30 years to non-profit background in Akshay Patra Foundation and how he is actually bringing change. तो this year का हमारा TEDx का theme था Unfollow the Trend. So all the speeches were aligned based on that. And those 2 days were very fun. It was very hectic and yes, it was very fun. So that was it. और यही था क्लब्स और कमेटी के बारे में. So if you have any more doubts, then let me know on the comment section. And if you join any of the IIMs, I believe all IIMs में होते हैं committees, and committees are kind of help you in your CV, and I think most probably committees help you in leadership and teamwork because you get to work with so many people, and you also have to do the same in corporates, so you have to learn, and committees help you do that. And clubs भी, clubs के जो थे clubs जैसे committees हुआ अक्टूबर में, clubs के थे दिसंबर में. So मेरे को consulting and finance वगैरह में बहुत interest था, so I joined the best 2 clubs of our college, Stracon, which is the consulting club, strategy and consulting club, and I joined TCG, Transcendence Capital Group, which is the asset management club of our college. So ये 2 clubs we are very good. So yes, basically interview में पूछते हैं basics पूछते हैं कि they want to see that if you are like good or not, and if you have the willingness to learn or not. So that's it for this video.